Nobody becomes someone's favorite person overnight. There isn't a single moment when it happens. No announcement, no warning, just a series of ordinary moments that slowly become emotionally unforgettable. A conversation they keep thinking about, a message that brightens their day, a presence that starts feeling a little more comforting than everyone else's. And before they realize it, someone begins standing out. Not because they tried to, not because they demanded attention, but because their heart quietly started making more room for one person than anyone else. And that's the fascinating part. People usually don't notice when this shift begins. They don't wake up and think, this person is becoming important to me. It happens beneath awareness, slowly, silently, until one day that person's opinion matters more. Their messages feel different. Their absence feels noticeable, and their presence starts bringing a sense of comfort that becomes difficult to replace. Because emotional attachment rarely announces itself. It reveals itself through patterns, through habits, through small behaviors that quietly expose what the heart is feeling. That's why long before someone admits how much you mean to them, their actions often start revealing the truth. The way they think about you, the way they prioritize you, the way they keep finding reasons to stay connected. So if you've ever wondered whether you're becoming more than just another person in someone's life, if you've ever felt a connection growing deeper but couldn't quite explain why, then stay with me. Because in this video, we'll uncover the 3 secret signs that reveal you're slowly becoming their favorite person, even if they haven't realized it themselves yet. Number 1, you're the first person they want to tell things to. And this sign is far more powerful than most people realize. Because when someone starts becoming your favorite person, they don't just become part of your life, they become part of your moments. Think about it. Something exciting happens. You get good news. You accomplish something you've been working toward. Out of all the people you could tell, one person immediately comes to mind. Not because you have to tell them, because you want to. Because somehow the moment doesn't feel complete until they know about it too. And that's how emotional priority begins, quietly, naturally, without either person noticing. The heart has a fascinating habit. It starts directing our attention toward the people who matter most. That's why when something meaningful happens, we instinctively reach for the people closest to our emotional world. And if someone keeps choosing you first, that's rarely an accident. Maybe they hear something funny and immediately think, I need to tell them. Maybe they receive good news and your reaction becomes more exciting than the news itself. Or maybe after a difficult day, you're the person they want to talk to before anyone else. Because your presence does something no one else's can. It brings comfort, understanding, a feeling of being seen, and over time that feeling becomes valuable. That's why your opinion starts carrying more weight than most people's. Not because they blindly agree with you, but because your perspective genuinely matters to them. They care what you think, they care how you feel, and they care about your reaction in a way they can't fully explain. Psychologists often say that the heart reveals importance through priority. And it's true. Who someone thinks about first often reveals who matters most, because attention is precious. People don't automatically give it away. Yet when someone is becoming their favorite person, they do it naturally, without effort, without planning. You become the person they look for during meaningful moments, the person they emotionally lean toward, the person who slowly becomes part of their daily routine. And perhaps that's the sweetest part. You don't become someone's favorite person through grand gestures. You become their favorite person through consistency, through being there, through creating a space where they feel understood, until one day, reaching out to you no longer feels like a choice. It feels natural, like second nature, like something their heart does before their mind even thinks about it. Because you're no longer just someone they know, you're becoming someone they emotionally depend on in small, beautiful ways. And when that starts happening, you've already become far more important than you realize. But the second sign goes even deeper, because it begins showing up even when you're not around. Number 2, You start living inside their everyday thoughts. And this is where emotional attachment becomes impossible to fake. Because when someone is slowly becoming your favorite person, they don't just exist in your conversations. They start existing in your mind. Without effort, without intention, without even realizing it, a song plays, and somehow it reminds them of you. They see something funny. Their first thought is, I should send this to them. They hear a story, visit a place, experience a random moment in the middle of an ordinary day, and your name quietly appears in their mind. That's because attention follows emotional significance. The people who matter most naturally occupy more space in our thoughts, not because we're forcing ourselves to think about them, because our emotions keep bringing us back to them. And that's what makes this sign so powerful. They're not sitting around trying to think about you. You simply show up, naturally, like a familiar thought their mind enjoys returning to. That's why they start sending random messages, sharing tiny details, telling you things that seem completely unimportant, not because the information matters, because sharing it with you does. The truth is, when someone becomes emotionally important, even ordinary moments start feeling connected to them. And before long, you're no longer just part of their day, you're part of the way they experience their day. You stop being someone they intentionally think about. You become someone who naturally appears in their thoughts. And maybe that's one of the sweetest signs of all, because when you're becoming someone's favorite person, your presence starts extending beyond conversations and into their everyday mind. But the third sign may be the sweetest of all, because it reveals itself in the future. Number 3, they start saving a place for you in their future. And this may be the sweetest sign of all, because when someone becomes your favorite person, they stop seeing you as just part of today. Without realizing it, they start carrying you into tomorrow. It happens in small ways at first. A future event comes up and they automatically imagine you there. They talk about plans months from now as if your presence is already included. They see a place they'd love to visit someday and instantly think of sharing it with you. Not because they're trying to make a statement, because their heart has quietly started making room for you. You see, the people we enjoy are part of our present, but the people who truly matter become part of our future. That's why emotional attachment often reveals itself through permanence. The heart naturally holds on to what feels valuable. And when someone becomes deeply important, imagining the future without them starts feeling strangely incomplete. They begin saying things like, "We should do that someday. You'd love this." Or, "I can see us laughing about this years from now." Small comments, simple words, but hidden inside them is something powerful. The assumption that you'll still be there, that the connection isn't temporary, that you're not just passing through their life, you're becoming part of it. And that's the real difference. They stop seeing you as an option. They start seeing you as a chapter that belongs in the story. Because one of the clearest signs you become someone's favorite person is when their future starts making room for you automatically. Before they say it, before they fully realize it, their heart has already chosen a place for you in tomorrow. And maybe that's why certain people become so important, not because of one big moment, but because of hundreds of small ones. Trust grows, comfort grows, and before anyone notices, a simple connection becomes something much deeper. Because people rarely become important overnight, they become important through countless moments that slowly build emotional meaning. That's why becoming someone's favorite person often reveals itself through emotional priority, constant thoughts, future thinking, and growing attachment. Sometimes you don't realize how important you've become to someone until you notice they've quietly started building parts of their life around you. And when someone slowly makes you their favorite person, you stop being just another part of their day and become one of the best parts of it. So let me ask you, have you ever realized you had become someone's favorite person before they ever said it? Or have you ever caught yourself thinking about one person more than anyone else? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more deep psychology insights about love, emotional attachment, relationships, and human behavior.